Place dish sponges on a cutting board and put them in the freezer. You'll be pleasantly surprised how simple this is. Prepare regular dish sponges. It's best to use brand new ones. The bigger, the better. Put them in the sink. Get a cutting board ready next to it. Turn on the water and soak the sponges. Soak each one so it absorbs as much water as possible. Place each sponge on the board one by one. Don't worry if they drip. Don't wring them out. Use only cold water. Once all the sponges are soaked, arrange them on the board so they don't touch each other. Put the board with the sponges into the freezer. After a few hours, the sponges will be frozen. Then take them out. You'll see they're completely frozen. Prepare small plastic bags. Pack each sponge in a separate bag. Tie each one closed. Cut off the tips of the bags. These little packs are useful when you've taken meat out of the freezer. The sponges work like ice packs for a cooler. You can wrap frozen food with them and take it with you. No worries about it thawing on the way. With this trick, you can easily transport frozen food when needed.
Apply this to your pots and pans. The results will surprise you. They'll look brand new. Thanks to this trick, my pots are clean and shiny. To prepare this super cleaning solution, you only need 4 ingredients. First, take 5 lemons. Cut each lemon into 2 equal halves. Then cut them again to make quarters. Put the cut lemons into a blender and blend them thoroughly. If you don't have a countertop blender, you can use a hand blender. Strain the lemon juice from the blender into a bowl using a sieve to remove the peels. Take another bowl and divide the juice into 2 parts. In one part, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well until there are no lumps. In the other part, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix again. Now, combine the 2 mixtures by pouring one into the other and mixing them well. Your pot and pan cleaner is now ready. Simply apply it to a burnt pot. Wait a few minutes, and then scrub the pot with a scouring pad. You'll see the results almost immediately. Use this trick, and your pots will look like new. Line your oven with this trick. The results will surprise you. First, grab a dishwasher tablet. It's packed with active ingredients that tackle grease and stains effectively. If your oven is heavily burnt, with dried food residues and greasy glass, this hack will be a game changer. No scrubbing is needed to make it shine like new. Start by unwrapping 1 dishwasher tablet. Place it in a bowl and add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir and let it dissolve. Using a sponge, generously soak it in the solution and apply it to the dirty walls of the oven. Squeeze the mixture onto the interior surfaces. Dishwasher tablets contain concentrated detergents specifically designed to dissolve and remove grease. Next, take a kitchen towel and tear it into pieces to stick onto the oven's walls. Leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients will break down the dirt without any effort on your part. Afterward, remove the paper, wiping away the loosened grime. Your oven will sparkle with no streaks on the glass. Cleaning a burnt oven will never be a tiresome chore again. Secrets for a spotless kitchen your mom doesn't even know. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over your stovetop, scrub with half a lemon, and wipe with a damp cloth. Stains will disappear, leaving your stove looking brand new. Never use a toothbrush to clean your fridge gasket. It can cause damage. Instead, mix half a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Spray the gasket, wait 2 minutes, then wipe with a soft cloth. This method removes dirt, whitens, and eliminates mold, keeping your fridge fresh and clean. Burnt pot? No scrubbing needed. Blend a lemon, strain the juice, and mix with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Apply to the burnt area. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Then wipe with a sponge. To clean pot lids, apply toothpaste inside and out. These spots collect the most grime. Fill a large pan with water, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, heat slowly, and submerge the lid. After 10 minutes, wipe it clean with a sponge. For a greasy oven rack, place it in a garbage bag and soak it with a special solution. Dissolve a dishwasher tablet in hot water. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda and let it cool. Pour the solution into the bag, seal it tightly, and leave it for an hour. Rinse the rack, and any remaining grime will wipe away effortlessly. Wrap it in paper and place it together with the onion. An onion is a vegetable you'll find in almost every kitchen. It enhances the taste of dishes and provides vitamins. Let me show you a trick you might want to use in your own kitchen. First, prepare a paper towel. Fold a piece of paper in half. Then place another folded sheet of kitchen paper on top of it. This is necessary to increase the thickness of the paper. Next, sprinkle some baking soda in the center of the paper. Baking soda effectively prevents mold and rot by creating an environment that's less favorable for the growth of bacteria and fungi. It also acts as a natural moisture absorber. Carefully fold this paper with the baking soda into a small packet and secure it with a piece of tape. Place the packet in a basket or container with onions or among other vegetables prone to spoiling. By keeping a packet of baking soda with your onions or other vegetables, you help maintain a dry, mold-resistant environment, which prolongs their freshness and shelf life. It's a simple and inexpensive way to reduce food waste and keep your vegetables in the best possible condition. Put the wooden kitchen utensils into a pot. My grandmother showed me this trick. Take a medium-sized pot. Fill the pot halfway with water, then place the wooden kitchen utensils inside and bring the water to a boil. Let them boil for about 5 minutes. During this time, you will notice how all the dirt comes out of them. Wooden kitchen utensils are resistant to mechanical damage, which allows them to last for many years. However, if they are not properly cared for, they can become a breeding ground for bacteria. After 5 minutes, take the utensils out of the water, then dry them with a towel. To keep the utensils functional and looking good for a long time, you should regularly coat them with oil. It can be food-grade oil. Put a few drops onto a paper towel and thoroughly rub the wooden kitchen utensils. This will protect them from moisture and cracking, and it will also keep them in good condition for a long time.
If you don't have space for a dishcloth, stop leaving it on the sink. All you need is a simple rubber band. Stretch the band around the faucet. Thanks to its elasticity, it stays firmly in place and won't slip during use. It takes up no space, dries faster, and is always right where you need it.